10 Amazon gadgets you must have. This is a solar-powered automation clip that attaches to your curtain rod. It works with curtains up to 33 pounds and can be controlled with an app or voice command. This smart lamp offers 64 different scene modes. It easily integrates with Alexa and Matter for convenient, hands-free lighting control. This fruit slicer cup quickly cuts strawberries, grapes, and even boiled eggs into perfect uniform slices. Just press to enjoy a mess-free result every time. This is a trash bag holder with a bamboo lid that is oddly satisfying, clean, and makes your sink area look premium. This is a fantastic scrubber that works wonders on shoes. It makes it easy to clean those stubborn rubber parts that get really dirty, giving you a fantastic result in just a couple of minutes. This is a convenient mat that allows you to scrub your feet while taking a shower. You can also hang it up to dry. This is a touchless hand sanitizer dispenser that is perfect for placing by your front door so you can sanitize before touching anything in your home. This is an eco-friendly lint roller that effortlessly picks up pet hair and dust. Simply rinse it to clean it and restore its stickiness for endless use. This is a reusable and portable lint roller that is great for removing hair, dust, and dirt from your clothing. The interior can be easily removed for cleaning, and its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go use. This is a versatile wireless charger that securely attaches to the back of your phone with a magnet. It also features a built-in kickstand for hands-free viewing.